Guys, I really want my dream pack. It's the cotton candy pack, and I don't think nobody has it. Wait, there it is. I think that rich girl has it. I'm gonna try to offer, even though I have a monkey noodle. She probably wants a monkey noodle. Hey, can I please offer for your cotton candy pack? That's all you have? No way, I'm not trading. I only trade with rich people. Guys, I knew she was gonna say something like that. Okay, but do you have any advice to get fidgets? You can probably go and check in the lost and found. Gosh, she's probably not even gonna find anything. Okay, I guess. Let's go look. Whoa, a horse puppet already? What? There's so many fidgets here, guy. Oh my gosh, there's literally so many. Literally right here too. Guys, is that a basket of fidgets? No way. Does anybody own it? No, it's mine now, guys. Now I'm gonna go back to the rich girl and show off. I still want the cotton candy pack, so I guess I'll still offer. Hey, I'm back. Can I please offer now? What? You found that many fidgets from the lost and found? Yes, now I would like to offer. Okay, offer then. Well, I'll give you this dimple and this Starburst Poppet. I didn't send you to the lost and found just to keep the fidgets to yourself. Okay, wait, I just got a text message and someone said they'll give me the cotton candy pack for free. You're not even worth it, so you're not worth my time. I'm gonna go back to the other girl. Oh my gosh, you're so kind. Just because you're so kind, I'll give you this free Starburst Poppet. Thank you so much. Jeez, you did not have to do that. I'm actually quitting my fidget collection, so you can keep it. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm still so mad at that rich girl for being so rude. I'm gonna get her back.